Good morning. I thought we'd do a little chicken coop update. Stained it all. Keep it protected. Wife put a little herb garden flower box in the front here. And we added some logs into the bottom here so the chickens can peck around and find bugs. Found this little hollowed out one. We keep putting food in there, veggies and grubs. It's still really coming well together. I'll show you something else here. To give our chickens an idea too, we found these wooden eggs here. And it tells the chickens where to go. You could always use a golf ball. You put a golf ball inside your baskets, and then they know to go inside of the nests. My chicks lay their eggs around 11 o'clock. So this is our long-term update. It's looking good. The girls are happy. Also added a sandbox for them to roll around in, and some crushed oyster shells so they can get their calcium. There's this cool thing we got at the chicken co-op. It's called a happy block. And they started pecking on that. We picked that up yesterday. Hi, girls. Happy chickens. There you go, look happy.